morning everyone. We have done exercise 4.2 like equivalent fraction, checking of equivalent fraction and equivalent by division, multiplication, etc. So today we are going to learn exercise 4.3. This exercise is based on reducing of fraction to the lowest term. What? Reducing a fraction to the lowest term. So let's we start, student. Exercise 4.3. Exercise 4.3. Exercise 4.3, reducing a fraction to the lowest term. Fraction to the lowest term. So let's we start. We know how to reduce in lowest term. Take one example, like reduce the lowest term is, take one example, 16 by example 16 by 48. First we will know about 16 upon 48. 16 is numerator and 48 is in denominator. Which table cancel both numerator and denominator? We can, if we will do lowest term, reduce of the lowest term, and by we will take the division method. So 16 is come table of 2 and 48 is also will come table of 2. So now count the table of 2. Where is 16 coming? 2 1 jar 2, 2 2 jar 8, 2 3 jar 6, 2 4 jar 8, 2 5 jar 10, 2 6 jar 12, 2 7 jar 14, 2 8 jar 16. So 16 is cancelled by 2 on 8. Now again, if we can't directly divide 48 by 2, so we will do separate division. 48 by 2. 2 2 jar 4, 0, bring down 8, 2 4 jar 8. So it is also cancelled on 24. Now again 8 upon 24. 8 upon 24. How we cancel it? Again both 8 and 24 is coming in table of 2. 2 4 jar 8, 2 12 jar 24. 4 by 12. Again 4 by 12. Both are coming in table of 2. 2 2 jar 4, 2 6 jar 12. So again 2 and 6 are coming in table of 2. 2 1 jar 2, 2 3 jar 6. So 1 by 3 is reduced of lowest term of 16 by 48. Now take one more example. Example is 36 upon 78. 36 upon 78. If there is 36, first we will see numerator and then see denominator. 36. We divide 36 by 2. If it is cancelled, and then we will see denominator. 2 1 jar 2, 1 is left, bring down 6, 2 8 are 16, now 18. And now we will divide 78 by 2, 2 3 are 6, 1 is left, bring down 8, 2 9 are 18. So 18 in numerator and 39 is in denominator. Again we will see numerator and denominator cancel by 2 or not. 18 is cancelled by 2 but 39 is not cancelled by 2 because we will see once is odd numbers, so odd numbers is not cancelled by 2. Now we will see by 3 divide by 3. 3 6 are 18, 3 13 are 39. Answer is 6 by 13. 6 is coming in table of 2 and 3 and 6, but 13 is odd number, so it is not coming in any table. So final answer is 6 by 13. Now question 2 is reduce the following fraction into lowest term by HCF method. By HCF method, you have learned HCF and LCM in chapter 3. So how to find HCF method? Reduce the fraction by HCF method. Now take one example, 108 and 84. 108 and 84. How to find the HCF of? Now there is in numerator 108 and in denominator 84. Now 108 and 84. First we will start. We will see both numbers are coming in table of 2. These numbers are divided by 2. So 2 5s are 2 4s are 2 4s are again 2 2s are 2 7s are 2 2s are 2 1s are. Now 3 9s are and 3 7s are. Now 9 and 7 are both prime numbers. So we left this question here. 9 and 7 both are the prime number, and we will do this question like this. And now take the digits which are on left hand side. 2 into 2 into 3. Now we will multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 12 is HCF. What is HCF? 12. If we divide this fraction 108 and 84 upon 84. 108 upon 84. If we divide in both numerator and denominator by 12, so 12 9s are 108, 12 7s are 84. We have got like this 9 by 7. Answer is 9 by 7. So students, we are taking one more example. Example is 169 upon 52. First we will see which numbers are cancelling 169 and 52. 169 and 52. So 13. 13 1s are 13, 13 3s are 13 4s are 13 and 4. 13 is prime number and 4 is composite number. So we not cancelling both numbers by any number because it will be cancelled itself and it will be cancelled 2. But both numbers should be cancelled only one digit number. So left here now 169 HCF. What is HCF? HCF is 13. 169 divided by 13 and 52 divided by 13. 13 upon 4. What is the answer? This is the same. 13 upon 4 is the reduced by HCF method. So students, I hope you have understood and do practice of this exercise. Thank you and have a nice day.